I usually visit the park in the morning when it is quiet and peaceful. The entrance is full of colorful flowers, tall green trees, and neatly trimmed bushes. As I walk through the main path, I enjoy the fresh air and listen to birds singing in the trees. People are jogging, walking their dogs, or sitting on benches reading newspapers or talking quietly. Entering the park always makes me feel relaxed and happy. I carry a small bag with water, a notebook, and sometimes a book to read. The sunlight shines softly through the branches, creating a warm and cheerful atmosphere. I often take a deep breath, feeling the calm energy of nature. It's a perfect place to start the day positively and forget the stress of everyday life. I usually visit the park in the morning when it is quiet and peaceful. The entrance is full of colorful flowers, tall green trees, and neatly trimmed bushes. As I walk through the main path, I enjoy the fresh air and listen to birds singing in the trees. People are jogging, walking their dogs, or sitting on benches reading newspapers or talking quietly. Entering the park always makes me feel relaxed and happy. I carry a small bag with water, a notebook, and sometimes a book to read. The sunlight shines softly through the branches, creating a warm and cheerful atmosphere. I often take a deep breath, feeling the calm energy of nature. It's a perfect place to start the day positively and forget the stress of everyday life. I love observing birds and small animals in the park. Ducks swim gracefully in the pond, squirrels climb trees, and sometimes butterflies and dragonflies hover over the flowers. Occasionally, I see people feeding the birds with small crumbs, and I like to join them gently. Watching animals and birds closely is very relaxing and educational. I notice their colors, movements, and behaviors, which makes me appreciate nature more. The sound of birds singing and leaves rustling in the wind creates a peaceful atmosphere. I often bring my camera or phone to take photos of interesting birds or animals. Spending time observing wildlife helps me feel calm, creative, and connected to the natural environment. Sometimes I stop and sit on a wooden bench under a big shady tree. I enjoy the feeling of calmness while watching people passing by, children playing, and birds flying around. I take out my water bottle and drink slowly, appreciating the quiet moments. Some people read books, while others chat with friends. Sitting on the bench allows me to relax, reflect, and plan my day. I often notice small details like flowers on the ground, patterns in the bark of trees, or sunlight reflecting off the pond. These simple moments make me feel peaceful and happy. In the park, I sometimes see families with children playing. I enjoy watching them run, jump, and laugh. The children are full of energy, running around playgrounds, sliding down slides, and swinging on swings. Occasionally, I interact with them by tossing a ball or playing a small game. Their laughter is contagious, and it fills the park with joy. Playing or watching kids play helps me feel lighter, carefree, and more connected to the vibrant life around me. I often smile and feel grateful for these lively moments in nature. Many people in the park come to exercise. I like jogging slowly along the paths or doing stretches near open fields. Some people practice yoga or Tai Chi, moving gracefully and calmly. Exercising in the fresh air feels different from indoor gyms. The combination of movement, sunlight, and natural surroundings makes the experience refreshing. I sometimes join a small group doing morning exercises or follow my own routine. Physical activity in the park not only strengthens the body but also clears the mind and boosts energy for the rest of the day. One of my favorite activities in the park is feeding birds. I bring a small bag of crumbs or seeds and sprinkle them near the pond or on the grass. Ducks, pigeons, and sparrows gather around eagerly. I watch how carefully they peck the food and interact with each other. Feeding birds gives me a sense of responsibility and joy. The gentle flapping of wings and cheerful chirping adds a peaceful background sound. This activity helps me slow down, enjoy the present moment, and feel connected to nature. I often visit the children's playground area, where swings, slides, and climbing frames are located. I enjoy observing how children explore and challenge themselves. Parents watch closely while encouraging their kids. Sometimes I join in lightly, swinging or helping younger children climb safely. The colorful playground equipment and the laughter of children make the environment lively and joyful. Spending time here makes me appreciate fun, playfulness, and the simple joys of life. After walking or exercising, I sometimes sit on a bench to enjoy a snack or drink. I bring a sandwich, fruit, or juice and watch people walking by. This small break allows me to relax and refuel. Eating in the park feels peaceful because of the natural surroundings. I pay attention to the sounds, sights, and smells around me. Occasionally, I chat with other visitors or simply enjoy quiet moments alone. This part of the park visit refreshes my body and mind before continuing my day. At the end of my visit, I walk back toward the park entrance, feeling refreshed and happy. I take a last look at the trees, flowers, and pond, appreciating the beauty around me. People are leaving or finishing their activities, and the park slowly returns to calmness. I feel grateful for the peaceful moments, fresh air, and vibrant nature I experienced. Leaving the park helps me feel ready to face the day or evening with a positive mindset. I often plan my next visit as I walk out, looking forward to enjoying the park again soon.